In this video, I want to cover how to fix in case your Hisense Roku TV is slow. If it's lagging every time you press these buttons, you know, the animation here is lagging, or sometimes it's even staying stuck. I don't know if you saw, I tried to press, but it jumped right at the end of the menu, although I just pressed once. Anyway, if you have any kind of issue similar to this one, what should you do? Well, it's very easy. The first thing is to simply disconnect the TV from the wall outlet. Even if the screen over here is turned on, don't worry. Find the power cord of your TV and unplug it. Leave it 5 minutes. Then go under your Hisense TV and you should have a power button. Mine is located right under here, but maybe yours is on the right side or on the left side. So just find the power button and keep it pressed during 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, release it. Then go ahead, connect back your TV. And we're gonna power it on using the power button located under. Do not use your remote control this time. After that, you'll be able to use it, but now just press once on the power button. And after you did this, the TV should power on. If not, go ahead and press it a second time. Could happen you have to press it 2 times. Here we go. And test this out. Hopefully your Hisense Roku TV is now a lot smoother in the menus, and every time you press these arrows, it's not something that is frustrating to use. So hopefully this trick solved your problem. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below telling me that it worked. It's a very simple trick that can actually solve many other issues in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.